Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the markets. Currently 4:23 p.m., June 14th, 2021, Monday after the weekend. Coming in feeling good, started off great, and then just everything went downhill from there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Yes, markets were kind of just, once again, choppy, and then we got this end of the day run. So annoying. You know, the big boys, the funds are buying up or selling, whatever they're doing at the end of the day. And there's just chop. And I got chopped early after I was up. I was up about 120 bucks. And then things just kind of went downhill. I started playing with the stupid stocks. And I got back into that groove of, actually, Tesla killed me today. I tried to front run some entries and I don't know. And then news was not good today. I jumped in a couple things I heard, and they all kind of bottomed out. So here's my day, 452 down. I reached 815 down, and that's when I said, okay, either stop trading or only trade a good setup. NOVN was the dumb trade of the day. Just algos were all over this thing, destroying people. And look at the spikes on this thing. Anytime it would pop up, it would drop, pop up, it would drop, pop up, it would drop. You know, there were some nice 5-minute trades in it, and I was trying to trade a shorter time frame. And of course, at the end of the day, I was looking at it in the morning, and it was more about these areas before it made this move is where I got screwed. I was in and out of this thing when the first hour, the half hour of the day, and then it made its move. So it seems like that's happening a lot. It seems like everything I'm looking at is happening after I'm done trading it. And it's just unfortunate. I think just it's a mental thing for a lot of people. And they know that, and then the algo's like, we'll just mess with you, and eventually let it go. So Tesla, I just got chopped around with on like 5 or 6 trades. EH was a kind of a news call out. Got caught in the spike, got pretty much the top, and got squished hard for 137. And Blink was another one. I actually traded it twice, and you know, it actually made a move and then continued up to make newer highs. I got caught in Blink's a tough trader, and I just got caught in the scuff. Facebook was another news trade that I got caught. Disney, I was up $40 in the first Disney news trade, and then there was this. I got caught in this spike here, and then of course it goes. So I ended up losing money on Disney. NCTY, kind of front ran of whole number blast off kind of trade. ORPH, FSR was a news trade, kind of lost a little bit there. DraftKings was news. MDIA was kind of like a break that I didn't get advantage of. TSLA was a news event. SMAR was a news event. U was a news event for 22. BTX kind of in and out on a break of a certain number. Wolf was a pretty heavily traded issue today. Got in around one of these areas. Of course, I got in around the 24 area, and it went up to like the 28 area. AMC was just kind of getting in the middle of the day. I actually saw a good entry on it. It kind of coiled up a bit. Let me see if I can see where that is. Kind of like here. I caught this move up. And then PHGE was a news event. And pretty much the thing that saved me today was I actually traded ARPT a few times today. Really tough trader, actually. Very spready, and it's breaking out right now. Wait, I picked the wrong one. It says 40 right here on the close. They did an offering. At the close, and it went down, and then now it's breaking out to new highs. I actually caught this on 2 news plays. Actually going to have to share that video in the future for one of my news trading videos. Took it for like $200 and $100 on 2 different trades, which was nice, and it could have been even bigger had I been a little bit quicker with my exits. So, you know, when I was down, let's just see if I can bring this up. Oops. You know, I overtraded a bit today on a day like today, and I spoke to someone about, you know, increasing share size, and I didn't. I kept my tier size pretty much the same. I was just getting into some garbage, and you know, I saw myself here at 125 up on the day, and then I just kept taking negative trades after negative trades after negative trades, and I got down to 56. And I was pretty toxic this moment. I was kind of screaming a little bit. I was kind of very frustrated, and I shouldn't have been, I should have just walked away. Or it wasn't like, again, I wasn't trading bigger size. It wasn't revenge trading. I wasn't doing the things that, doubling down. I wasn't doing any of that. I was just kind of trading. Hopefully, like, trade would work. Trading what I saw, and it just didn't. A lot of things I got into just didn't work. And then I had this bang up here from this 856 level to this. I was a news trade here, and then this was a monster news trade. This was the one that got me back into I actually got close to where to get to, like 348. I closed at 348 would have been okay, but 452, I mean, it is way better than 856. But it kind of just tells you how my day went, and it was just, and then the market was just difficult, and it's just, it's really hard. It was a really hard day. The news was not great. I got banged out a couple times, and I'd say I broke even on news just based on the two RAPT trades, but the EH, the BLNK, and the Disney combo versus the RPT kind of broke even. So that's okay with news. The other trades, I'm just not liking the scalping methods, and any of the my other strategy trades just didn't show up today. And if they did, anything that kind of broke out just flipped right around. The market was tough. So I'll move on to Tuesday. I'll just swallow this day. I'm glad I got this move up. This was kind of like my last trade example. I was getting it to about $1,000, and if it didn't work, boom, I'm out. And actually ran, and I actually almost stopped at 348, but then I saw this Disney news. Long story short, I'm at 452 down on the day, and we'll just go from there. Now, move on, head high, and you guys have a good one. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. Let me know how your trading's going, and we'll go from there. Have a good night.